my name is Akansha, as you know. And if I'm talk about my academic credentials, I have pursued masters in English literature and B.Ed as well. Apart from that, I have cleared CTET exam also. And after that, I did job for a couple of months only. After getting married, I did job for 3 months, and then somehow I left the job. And then like I have time right now, I'm thinking like why I don't use this time and learning the language, get a command over that language. That is why I'm learning the language. That is all about me.
Okay, and
Yes.
if I talk about me, my name
Yes.
is Arvind Kumar, and I am from Devariya, UP. I have done my MA in English, and I am a teacher in a private school. I have 8 years of teaching experience.
Okay, it's wonderful.
I am on this. I am on this platform because I want to improve my communication skill.
Yeah.
I like I like playing cricket, football, kabaddi. That's all about me.
Okay, okay. Like it's wonderful. Like you have 8 years of experience since for 8 years you are teaching. Okay, okay. It's wonderful. Like you are like choose any topic you want to have a conversation on a topic, or it's random talk in which you are comfortable or what you want.
You can you can choose.
Like if you want, so we will choose, or otherwise we will randomly talking on what we did or how.
As you wish. I
Okay.
can talk
Uh, Okay, okay.
and
Like we will talk randomly. So, like you, as you are teacher, you told me like you are teaching since for last 8 years. Like you are in same school for last 8 years, or like change uh, according to
actually
time.
no. I was in the same school since last year, but this year I have changed my school.
Okay, okay. So you, as a English teacher, for this is your responsibility. Are you creating environment for your students for English speaking environment?
I was unable to create that type of
Environment.
environment, but right now uh, I used to talk. I used to converse in English only in my class with my students.
Okay, like because this is good. Like as an English teacher, this is our responsibility. Like create the environment for those students, because that when they in their future, that it's like this is really helpful. They are not suffering when they achieve whatever they want. Like because as we know, English is global language. English is necessary. This is the like career success in these days. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I always provoke them to speak English. I always encourage them to speak English because it's really necessary in this in today's world.
Yeah.
English is, the demand of English is growing day by day. Every
Yes.
companies and every higher institutions are demanding only English.
Yes, yes, yes. Like
Yeah,
everywhere, like this is the demand. Like if you are able to speak in English, you express yourself in an English language, like it means you have something. You have something good. Or you, if you like, if you wants to do a job in a good school or good company, you have like good command. This is the first thing they need from yourself when you go somewhere for an interview. They check there like you are, if you are have good command over there, like you have good they offer you a good salary. Like if you are okay, or like they somehow you have to like uh, what can I say, you have to like just uh, just face with that, because like if you have okay command or not good command over that, somehow you pay less than others, those who have good command.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. Like are you doing something else for learning the language, like these types of conversation you are doing? Apart from
Yeah,
that, you are doing something else?
I used to listen English speeches sometime. read some books.
Okay, you read book. Okay, okay. Like yeah, in last from the last year I read only two books. I'm trying to read books, but I'm not like fond of reading books. I'm trying because it is good thing, because through reading books we are like we rich our vocabulary, through enhance our knowledge, or we are go through with the new words, like difficult words. So when will you, when was you thinking like you have to be consistent on that journey? When was that happen that?
Actually, last year in the month of October, I felt that I must train myself as English teacher,
Mm-hmm.
and then I decided to join a class. And after that, I went to Delhi, and there I joined 2 months back.
It means you are living in UP. You are in UP. You are from UP, or you go somewhere else at your place for
Learn,
taking for learning English. Okay, okay.
yeah.
It wasn't like okay. Like you are not you are not thinking that you go with the from with the YouTube like for you are not pursuing any online application, you are not been through with that.
No, actually, before going to Delhi for the offline classes, I was unaware of any kind of platforms like Skype
Okay,
or Trip to Talk or any other apps. That's
okay,
why
okay.
I, I couldn't
Like
join any
you
of them.
you went to Delhi for that particular course.
Yeah,
Okay, well, okay, you are taking really initiative. Mm-hmm. So
and after
like
I heard about all these kind of apps and applications.
okay, like this was the 3 months course or 2 months?
2 months course.
2 months. Like after earlier, when you thinking you have to pursue this course, or when you completed with been through with course, what you find any changes in yourself?
Yeah, exactly. Earlier I was unable to talk even 1 minute in English, but
Oh,
right now I can speak.
yeah.
So that offline class was really helpful for me.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it was helpful, but yeah, but you have like no idea. There are like online or YouTube, there are many resources you have. There is no need to go anywhere, or you have to like study from there only. There is no need, or on your time, like whenever you free, you have like phone. Everyone has phone. Open a YouTube or like go with anyone or learn whatever you want to. So okay, but this was like good experience. You like you learned from your experienced.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Earlier, as I told you earlier, I don't know about any kind of apps, and after going there, I know. So it was a nice trip for me.
Yeah,
Perhaps
it
it
was like
was my game changing trip, life changing
these
trip.
these kinds of like when you anyone wants to pursue anything, or for like those who are preparing ours, those who are UPSC aspirant, they are living in, it doesn't mean they are living in any part of our country. They are coming from their native place in Delhi for Delhi, and they are preparing there. So like it doesn't mean they are like they are be an IAS officer, or they or IPS officer, but they have like little bit experience from the environment, from their experience from the things.
Actually, in Delhi, I was taking my class at GTV Nagar, and GTV Nagar is neighboring place of Mukherjee Nagar. That is also known as, yeah, that is also known as IAS factory.
Okay.
It was nice, and some of my classmates were also preparing for UPSC.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
And
because
after reaching there,
mm,
I belong from rural area. From earlier, I didn't know the exact environment of education, but
mm,
after reaching there, I came to know many new things.
yes, yes, it happens. Like
It will
when
help
you
me.
are, yeah, when you are pursuing anything from online, you are not socialized with the people. When you go through, when you go offline, like you are socialized with the people, you are meeting new people, you have experienced, you have new experiences with them. Yeah, it is somehow it is beneficial. Like everyone has, everything has two sides of pages, like advantage and disadvantage.
Yeah,
Yes,
offline class. In offline class, we can interact with our classmates, our teachers physically.
physically, yes, 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 you are right.
It will be beneficial.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you want to ask something to so ask?
Yeah. Actually, where are you from?
I am from UP, Ghaziabad.
In which? Oh,
UP,
Ghaziabad. Oh, it's near, very nearer to New Delhi.
yes, it is near to Delhi.
So, yeah. Please tell me something about your interest.
Like these days, my interest is I make my interest only in that learning of this language uh, because I'm earlier I told you I was a teacher. I'm planning that again I have to enroll myself in teaching. This is the only interest I have. Or apart from that, these days I'm learning how to drive a car because I'm not able to drive till now. I'm learning this thing, this new thing. Or sometime I used to play badminton, or sometime if I get up early, I used to go gym. This is like these are some interested which I follow. Or sometime I used to watch only but only English content. I'm consuming only English content. Sometime I used to watch TV, some shows. These,
Okay.
yeah.
And how was how was your experience on this app?
Which app? Uh,
It's
Skype, like I find it very, this is very helpful. Whenever like I joined here on, I think on mid of January, on mid of January. Before that, I was unable to find a co-learner. I'm not able to do practice. Or here,
oh,
yeah, it happens. Or here, when I joined here, like this is right from today, this is like fourth session. I'm fourth time I'm doing my practice. Anyhow, because this is the time of like after this session I'm going to prepare dinner. But some, I think if someone is like free, I have to first manage this, do my practice, and then I'll manage the dinner. Like this is wonderful for me. It was good experience, it is good experience. There are many co-learners. If on time, if I match with them, which we like both are free on same time, we have like conversation as we are doing now.
and if I talk about my experience on this platform, so I have joined this platform on 14th of November. It was perhaps Children's Day, and
Okay, okay.
since then since then it was a nice journey. I
Mm,
think for any learner, this is a good platform. One can talk to any unknown person,
yes.
and interacting with anyone through video call, it's really helpful.
Yeah,
it's
really helpful
it's
it is.
over hesitation and fear of being judged as well.
Yeah, because because we are, if we are like on a video call, like we have to focus on our expression also. Like if someone asks
Yeah.
something, or quickly we have to respond, answer them. This is like these things we have to manage. Or this is really really helpful when we want to do a job something. There we find find it very helpful. From these things we have gone through, like when we go for an interview or anything else, there we are not hesitating, or we like quickly respond to the interviewer and give the answers.
Yeah,
Hmm.
directly. And we have to be focused while talking to anyone.
Yes,
And
yes.
that's a great.
Hmm. Yeah. Like, at what time usually do you have your dinner?
Exactly, I I take my dinner at around 8 to 9 p.m. But
Between 8 to 9.
after
Okay.
dinner, yeah, but it's okay. Apart from teaching, I have no other work. So I used to talk to anyone who is ready to talk to me.
Okay, okay. Like, are you living with your family, or are you living alone here? Are you stay with
I'm
your
living,
family?
yeah,
Okay, okay.
and
So, how many members in your family?
there are 4 members in my family, and I am living away from my home.
Okay, you are
So that,
away from.
yeah, that's why there is no other work apart from my teaching and my own study. And
Okay,
perhaps uh, from uh, from Monday I'm going to start a coaching class. Let's see. It will take 2 or 3 hours, perhaps. But
okay. So,
after
like,
teaching in a school and coaching, I don't have any other work, so I
okay,
can convert this.
it means some students coming to your place for taking tuitions.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
okay. This is nice. I think keep yourself busy, because somehow side by side simultaneously we earn something or we learn something.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So can we like bind up this session, because I have to go for making dinner
Oh,
because my dadi is waiting for. Okay,
oh,
like it is wonderful session with you. Bye. Have a nice day.
same here. Nice day.